Hey guys, today I'm taking you through how to make fufu. So if you want to learn how to make fufu, don't go nowhere, just keep watching. We're having a food tutorial and it's none other than fufu. Fufu is eaten by most people in the West African countries, and now it's quite global, it's everywhere because that's delicious. So I'll be taking you through how I prepare my fufu. This is actually the flour from processed plantain or cassava or cocoyam. So let's get started. First of all, you would have to boil water. In my case, I'm just using a volume of 800 milliliters of water, and I would be putting it to cook. Then I weigh the flour. I'm using 400 grams of the flour. So this is the flour I weighed. It's exactly 400 grams. And then next I fetch out part of the water, the hot water, when it starts boiling, because I'll be needing it if the consistency of my fufu isn't what I want. So the flour is added to the remaining water, and you keep stirring in a circular manner to avoid it forming any lumps. So you keep stirring, no break. It's just going to take a few seconds, so just keep stirring till you don't see any flour at all, and it kind of forms into something solid, like without white patches on it, like no indication of flour, just to be sure that every flour it's in the water. So this is how it turns out after I stirred vigorously for some time. And then here is where I add the water, because it was a bit thick, like it's thicker than I want it a bit softer. So the remaining water is added, and again you stir, but this time not exactly in a circular manner, but just stir just as I'm doing it. Yeah, and then you can stir it in a circular manner as well. The water will be absorbed by the fufu. So after stirring for a while, this is how it turns out as well. Now it's soft as I want it, and then I stir a bit more just to avoid any lumps from getting into it. Now it's as soft and yummy as I wanted. I just want to smoothen it, so I keep stirring for some time. And now it's smooth. Just look at that. It's so smooth and ready to serve. So I usually use a glass bowl to prep it, so it would avoid it getting like it's thickened. My glass bowl is actually moist with a little water in it, and then I pour out my fufu from the stirring pot into the glass bowl so that I can mold it into that nice round form I want. You would need some water. You would need to make sure your hand is in some water, and then I serve it in my asanka earthenware bowl. Yeah, in Ghana, this is how we serve it. We serve it in an earthenware bowl like this. We call it asanka. Yeah, and that is it. It's ready to serve. You can eat it with pepper soup, light soup, palm nut soup. We eat it with lots of meat in the soup. Lots of meat, crab, smoked fish. Like, we eat it with different types of soup, but mostly it's light soup, palm nut soup, groundnut soup. And yeah, these are pictures of how I like mine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet for more interesting and fun videos.